Hello everyone, Coach Carole back with you on January 30. This is my final live cast for January 2022. Or is it? Perhaps there will be more later. Today I want to focus on welcoming you into my Preserving Family History Academy. Let me share my screen and take you there. If you go to coachcaroleonline.thinkific.com, you will find all my courses here, a link to my Facebook page, and if you scroll, you will find information about how my courses introduce you to the process of preserving family history. It's a little bit of an overview there, which is a video you can play at your leisure. From there is a bit of a description about what's in the Academy, and below are the thumbnails for each of the courses. I've just put some finishing touches to these two, the essential genealogist live casts of tips for research and storytelling. That's all now all ready for you to log into. It's free. And if you're interested in the research component and want to take all of that further, I do recommend this course for you, how to organize your genealogy research. There are many other courses here that you can have a look at, reasonably priced, and you can explore those at your leisure. Let's go across to the freebie, the Essential Genealogist Research 30 Live Cast Tips. And when you look at this course curriculum, you'll see some plus symbols to show you what's in the course. So for example, all the live casts for week 1, all the live casts for week 4. There's plenty to choose from. Plus there's some extra podcasts in place for you, and I will be adding a couple more soon. So this is a nice place to go for short, sharp, 5 to 10 minute little videos, tips for your research. Then when you go to the next stage and you want to join the course on how to research or how to do your genealogy research to save your sanity, this is the course for you. There's a description on what you'll achieve from the course. And if you scroll down, it'll give you the same sort of thumbnails for the course curriculum. And you can see how many lessons there are involved there. Often there are bonus webinars that I put in place from time to time. This is a paid course and it will be at the cost of $47. So I do hope you can come along to any one of my courses. Whenever you're in the Academy and you want to see all the courses, click on all courses and you'll get an overview of everything. Lots of freebies, some ebooks, a coaching course. The next one of these is coming up in April this year. This is where I give you my time in live webinars, 3 of those involved in the course. So if you're interested in writing your ancestral stories, this course may be of interest to you. You can pre-order that one and you can pay in installments if you wish. Further courses can be found if you go to the other pages, so just click on the page number at the bottom. One really good valued option for you is to join the members only vault, where you'll get access to most of my courses and you only need to pay a small subscription of $15 a month. You get access for life. This might be of interest for you. Other courses include specialist courses like Dabble Writer for Genealogist or Family Story Magic, where we delve into Trello to make ancestral cards. And there's more. If you are interested in blogging, then blogging in the past lane is for you. try that. It's a freebie. And if you're into digital storytelling, there's a growing interest in that one again. Digital storytelling for family historians is for you, and that one also has an installment plan. Plenty there for you to choose from. So I'll come back to you on the screen now, if I can find you in StreamYard. Always a little bit of a problem. And there we are. So I hope you enjoy strolling through my Preserving Family History Academy. Love to hear from you. If you need any advice on which course to take when, certainly leave me a message on my email at coachcarole70@gmail.com. If you're interested in all of these courses, then of course you can go across to my Facebook page. Let me just show you that one. Is that the right one? Where you can, that's the digital storytelling one. This is the major one. There's a Facebook group called Coach Carole Online, and you'll find out details of when next courses are coming, when there are live webinars, when we have our genealogy story conversations, and more. So do make sure you go across to my Facebook group. And I'm looking for more subscribers to my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in doing that, please go across to coachcaroleonline.com/YouTube channel. That's it for today's tips. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Bye for now.